Assalamualaikum. I am Farah Farhin Nishi. In the data logger project, I have done the Arduino coding part. At first, I have downloaded the DHT sensor library from GitHub. Then I have loaded the test program. I have defined DHT type as DHT11 and DHT pin as DHT pin 2. In the serial setup part, I have initialized the serial monitor with a baud rate 9600. In the void loop, I have put a delay value of 500. This delay ensures waiting of a few seconds between measurements. Reading temperature or humidity takes about 250 milliseconds. For reading the value from sensor, I have initialized three variables like float H, float T, and F, where H is for humidity, T is for temperature in Celsius, and F is for temperature in Fahrenheit. Then I have given an if condition to check if there is any error or not. Then I have written serial print function and compiled my code.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Mohammad Fahim. I am going to explain the working of data logger circuit, which is implemented on Proteus. To design a data logger circuit, we have used an Arduino here, a DHT11 sensor, a resistor, a virtual terminal, and a COM-PIN, which is also known as physical interface module. First of all, we have connected DHT11 sensor with plus 5 volt power module. Along with that, we have connected a resistor of 4.7 kilo ohm. Then from data line, we have connected pin number 2 of Arduino with pin number 2 of sensor. Secondly, we have connect RxD pin of virtual terminal with TXD pin of Arduino. After that, we connect RxD pin of physical module interface with RxD pin of Arduino and TXD pin of physical interface module or COM-PIN with the TXD pin of Arduino. Finally, we have to upload the hex file in Arduino, which we got from the programming part of Arduino. After placing the hex file in Arduino, let's run the project. Here we getting the humidity and temperature value. So this is the Proteus file of data logger circuit.
In the library part, first we selected a thermometer, a meter, two graph charts, one for the temperature and one for the humidity. And there's a table to keep track of the data of temperature and humidity. Then if we go to the block diagram part, first we created a serial port part. Here it's clear, the open part, then two reading part, it's a flash buffer part, then the close part, and it's for the error handling. Then we created a while loop to run the code. Then we connected the wires to the serial port parts. Then we created vServers to create the comport part. Then we created an array to strings and connected the strings to the temperature and humidity part. Then we created a table constant and connected the temperature and humidity part to the array. And finally, we connected the array part to the table control to pass the string data through to the table. Then finally, we created a false constant to run the code. And if we try to run the code is running perfectly without any error.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Ahsan Akhtar Himo. I'm here to describe the rest of the part of this project, and this is how it works. This is the combination part that I'm going to show you. So let's see how it's work. First of all, you have to connect the COM4 and then the COM3 with the COM-PIN, and it's already connected here. So we can run the LabVIEW first. You can see that it's running here, and then we'll run the Arduino file. So you can see there is a temperature is already 24 there, and the humidity is like something, so we will change the value. Then we can see that the humidity is 81 and it's the correct one. So I will describe then how it's going to ups and down in temperature. So you can just click the minus button here. By switching it to temperature, you can also decrease the temperature also. So you can see that's how it works, and the graph is showing the same thing, and you can see the relation between temperature and humidity is opposite. So that's how it worked. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.